for a long time, most people didn't really eat breakfast. In fact, Kellogg's marketed the idea that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. You have to eat breakfast. You're rushed in the morning. It's annoying to have to cook a nice meal, to have our shitty cereal that you don't need that's just complete crap. And so people started thinking you have to eat first thing in the morning. It's so important. You can't skip a meal. Complete garbage, okay? One of the best things you can do for yourself is fast. Fast for 4 or 5 hours after waking up. Have a cup of coffee. Your body's gonna be burning body fat for fuel. You're improving insulin sensitivity. And then break your fast around lunchtime. Have a nice dinner. This way you even have room for dessert. So breakfast is bullshit. Cereal's bullshit. Fast. Get chiseled, baby.